Hey YouTube, how you guys doing today? Kevin here coming at you with a first look. What are we looking at? We are looking at a crusty old 1978 Hondamatic. Yep, you heard me right. I said Hondamatic. What is a Hondamatic, you might be asking yourself? Look at all these lights. A Hondamatic is a motorcycle that has an automatic transmission. Not a 5-speed, it's a 2-speed high and low, and she is rough. Look how bad this thing is. Just been sitting for a long time. This bike came with the keys and the title, so that is super cool. And it's got these baggers that they put on it, and a rack of lights that are just, I think if you rode this on the road, you'd think they were in construction. So up in here, let's see if I can pop up in the truck. Sorry for the shakiness. I don't know what's in this bag. Oh, that just fell off. And that looks like food. Just take a look here. Oh, couple of tire spoons. So that's cool. Wow. One's still in the package. Rusted. Okay. Do I dare open this? Is this food? I hope not. God, I hope not. I think it might be parts. Oh, oh wow. The original toolkit. Sure. Yeah. Some fuses. That's good to have. Those can all get cleaned up with some vinegar. And we got this big box up top here. Looks like I can shrink you guys down. Looks like you guys like super close. Okay. Yep, here we go. There's the side cover. Actually, side cover looks like it's in good shape. Here is the other one. This one's got a crack in it. But other than that, other than the crack, I mean, look at plastic weld that on the backside. That's not in bad shape either. There's all the screws. Here's the gauge screws. He told me he took the gauges apart to see if we can figure out what's going on. There's the screen for the air filter. The air filter top. The fuse part. We'll see if I can, alright, just had to get over the thing. So this bike here's the choke right here that's going to go in that holder. This bike is super rough, guys. Super rough. Got the headlights. Switches move there. This is the parking brake right here. So when you pull this lever right here, it activates the brake down there. You can see I'm moving or not, but not moving very far. It's got the mirrors, got the key. He's got the gauges he took apart to see what was going on. Start, on, off. The brakes are, see you later, bye-bye. And that's what the Hondamatic looks like. 2-speed automatic, and there's park. That's pretty cool. So when you put the kickstand down, it puts it in, comes in park. Wow, this thing is in a rough shape. Do we dare open this? I can't even move that thing. Nope. Okay. Let's take a look at the tank. There's a tank right here. Oh wow, smells like fresh gas in there. Oh, the tank is nice. Not sealed or anything. Okay, that's a good sign. Now let's take a look in box number 3 here. Geez, let me close this one down. Look at all the rust. Just the rack is just rusted right out. We're gonna have to take this stuff off and clean it. We'll get new ones. Probably just take them right off because I'm not gonna keep these on the bike. We'll take all the racks off, all that type of stuff. Get a new factory rack, new factory fenders. Oh, look at this. We have inner tubes and a nest. A very big nest. Holy crap. That tube is junk. Guarantee it. Oh boy. Ooh, doggy. There's a tube there. I am not reaching my hand in there. If any of you guys want to reach in there and get that for me, that'd be great. Why don't we move on to the seat? So let's take a look underneath the seat. How do we open the seat up? Let me sit down here for a second. Okay, looks like that's through the helmet lock. Okay, like this. Okay. Alright, so there's no mouse nest in the airbox. Wow, this bike is in... The frame itself is not too bad, but all the accessories to it are. I mean, if you cleaned up this engine and got rid of all these crazy light fixtures and all this extra added on stuff like this wind jammer right here, this, what is this thing, aerofoil, take all that stuff off, this wouldn't be a bad looking bike. I mean, we gotta get new handlebars. Realistically, if you put new handlebars, new rear fender, new rack, new front fender, cleaned it all up, put the side covers back on, fix this, like these electrical connectors right here are junk. So we got to figure out what all this is. I mean, they got something. Oh, you know what? These are probably for the lighting. I guarantee that's for the lighting. That is the worst thing you can do to one of these bikes, is put that crap on these things. And supposedly the bike had no spark. So once we get past all that, oh, here's the thing for the seat right here. That's why I couldn't open it. Yeah, looks like we have some stuff to do, some stuff to get into and get rid of all this extra crap. So does it turn over? That would be the next question. Kickstart. Yep, and electric. The battery is done. Okay, here's the kickstart right here. I'm just gonna see if I can. I'm gonna pause you and get over the other side of the bike. Okay, I had to put the kickstand back up. All right, so now we're gonna check. Do not use ATF. Use motor oil. Okay, so that's what it takes for that. Oh, turns over. Sounds like the starter. Oh, it was engaged. Okay. Yeah. Not bad. Okay. So there is that. So it does turn over. It is not seized, and it did feel like it had compression. Yeah, right there, compression, and compression right there. Yeah, it's got. I felt squeeze on both of them. So yeah, that's crazy. Awesome. Well, guys, this is the first look of the 1978 CB. What do you call it there? 400. By the way, it's a 400. And it's a Hondamatic. Once again, Hondamatic. And these must be all the lighting. All this stuff is going to be gone. We have to take all that off. So that'll be a video of taking all that stuff off. And yeah, it's going to be a lot of fun. I do have an air filter for this too. So yeah, it looks like we're going to have to get that battery out of there. We got some stuff to do. We got some electrical to fix. There's no inner tube in the front tire. Front tire is porked. Got a horn that's all electrical taped up here. Wow, this thing's in rough shape. They put the marker lights down here that belong up top there. Yeah, so we're gonna have some stuff to do on this bad boy. I can't wait to get ripping into it. But yeah, this is really rough. Wrong battery. Yeah, this is a real. It's kind of a shame to see something like in this condition. You know, the battery, like I said, the battery's junk. Battery's no good. So we gotta get that ripped out. Get this thing grease thin. It hasn't seen grease in 100 years. There's your neutral safety switch right there. Carburetors. I have a set of carbs. Did these even turn? No. Carburetors are seized up tight. I can't even move the cables. Yeah, those are tight. Okay, so it needs throttle cables. Those all have to be done. So yeah, we got some stuff we have to get done. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for hanging out with me. And we will talk later. I'm out.